What's up guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm be showing you how to jailbreak your device on iOS 11 up to iOS 11.1.2 without a computer. So it's all gonna be done from your device. So the first thing you need here, go to Safari and navigate to tweakboxapp.com. the link will be down in the description below, and hit download app, and you will here install Tweakbox profile on your device. So hit install and hit done, and you should see Tweakbox app icon on your home screen. Launch it and go to the apps section. This is an ad, just skip it by tapping on the X button and go to Tweakbox apps. Scroll and you should see here two versions of Electra. The first one is a beta version and the second one is the official Electra with Cydia. So hit install here, install again, and the download will begin. As you can see, once the download is done, go to the settings and go to general here, scroll to device profiles and device management, and go to Monster Lab, and make sure Electra app is verified and trusted. Now go and open Electra and hit jailbreak, and the device will automatically respring. Now you can see Cydia on your home screen. As you can see, launch it, and now we are jailbroken on iOS 11. So that's been it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't for new content. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next one.